Hello everyone, this is Amanullah Khan. I have completed my task first given by the Sparks Foundation as a data science and business analytics intern. In this task, we have to do prediction using the supervised machine learning algorithms. And the problem statement is, what will be the predicted score if a student studies for 9.25 hours a day? Let's start our solution by importing the required libraries. I have imported the pandas library for data frame creation and data manipulation. The next library I have imported is matplotlib.pyplot for data visualization purpose. Now I have used the URL for data for the purpose of loading the dataset. And I have used the function pt.read_csv since our dataset is in the format of comma separated value. Next thing I have done is I have used the function .hat in order to know about our dataset. It returns the first 5 rows of our dataset. The next thing I have done is I have used the .info function to know more about our dataset. It returns the number of columns and the type of value each column contains. Here you can see that our dataset contains total 2 columns, that is hours and scores. Hours containing data with data type float 64 and scores containing data of data type integer 64. Now we will visualize our data. We have plotted a graph against hours studied and percentage score. From this graph we can see that there is a strong positive linear relationship between hours studied and percentage score. When number of hours studied increases, then the percentage score also increases. Now it's time for the preparation of our data. For training, we will divide our data into feature data X and target data Y. Now, after data preparation, we will split our data into train and test dataset using the sklearn.model selection and train_test_split function. Now, the next step will be building our machine learning model. For this, we will choose linear regression algorithm since our target data is a continuous value. After linear regression, we will fit our training data into the linear regression model. Now we will plot a regression line to see how well our model fits on the data set. Now since our model is trained, it's time to test it using the test data. For that we will use y.predict equals to regression.predict_x_test. Now let's compare it with the original percentage which was given in the dataset. For this we will create a new data frame df having actual parameters and the predicted data. Here we can see that the difference between the actual and the predicted value is near about 3. The actual one is 81, the predicted one is 83. The actual one is 30 and the predicted one is 27. So we can see that the difference is near about 3. Now let's evaluate our model. Using the .score function, I have evaluated the model. The accuracy it gives is 0.96, that is 96%, which is quite good. Now we will find the mean absolute error of our model by importing the matrix from scikit-learn library, and our model has a mean absolute error of 3.9, which is also quite good. Now it's time to solve the problem set. We can also test with our own data, like if number of hours studied is 9.25, then our model gives a predicted score that is 92.38, which is the required solution of our problem set. So if a student studies 9.25 hours, then the score he might be scoring is 92.38. That is the solution of our required problem. Thank you for watching my video and feel free to evaluate my work. Thank you.